everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today, I want us to talk about the future of Onpassive in terms of marketing, okay? And if you're watching this video, please make sure to share as far as you can. Share to your groups, share to your brothers and sisters. Especially if you are in my New Tech group, I'm going to be putting the link down below this video. If you are not part of that group, please make sure you join. I'll put another link where you need to go there, just write your name and your country and give me your interest if you want to be part of this marketing training I want to do or not. This is how it goes. You must understand that Onpassive is an AI business. And as an Onpassivian, you don't need to have a degree or certificate in marketing. AI has made work very easy for us. And I hope and pray that Onpassive will also have such a quality of product. And of course we have, because before Onpassive had the challenges that Onpassive had, I saw some videos that were coming from there. Of course, they were using these AI-driven platforms. So what we do is simple. You just write a prompt. You just write a prompt. Now, what do I mean by a prompt? You just write a statement. You can just write the future of Onpassive business. And once you write in the system, it goes and creates a documentary for you. You will see such documentary after this video that I'm making, that I designed using that platform. I have said this many times, many times. In order to grow in the tech world, you must learn how to use other tech industry and use them for your benefit. In quotes, it's very important. Not illegally, but legally. Now, there are platforms that have been created. I'm not going to advertise the platforms here yet, but when you come to that personalized trainings that I'm going to be organizing through my group, we will teach you how to make prompts. The amazing thing with this platform is this. It is going to go, when you make a prompt, AI is a machine learning model that is being designed, a new kind of machine learning model that is being designed, teaching machines how to get information, where to get information, and how accurate to make those information. And it's a system that is still learning on its own. Even the people that are designing it is still learning. AI is still in the learning, at the learning stage. The machines are learning. They are getting better every day. And that is why I love Onpassive a lot. Okay? They are not in a rush. They are taking their time. Many AI businesses that you see online, when you do a prompt, you see a lot of gaps. They are still learning. They are still learning. Why they are still learning? Onpassive is building at the back. Take note of that. That's why you don't need to be in a rush. So what this platform does is simple. When you give a prompt, it goes into the official website of this platform and take authentic information and bring it into a documentary and fixes that documentary for you. You can either use the free version of the platform, which will enable that you have the watermark of that platform. It means their logo. Or you can buy the platform and use it for Onpassive business. It means that you can create a YouTube channel and you subscribe in that platform, and every day or every month, you just give a prompt, future of Onpassive business, the impact of Onpassive business. It generates that for you in the form of a video. Once you write that prompt, just click generate, and you click, they call it generative AI. You just watch. It will generate that while you are just watching, you are not doing anything. It generates that video for you, bring it in a more professional way, and then you can decide to add your voice, decide to add pictures, etc. to make it more spicy and make it more interacting, okay? And once you do that, you download it now in your machine, and then you upload it on your YouTube channel. That is all, guys. And this is something I want to share with us. Now, this is my own work in New Tech, doing such research, bringing it to you founders, those who say they don't know technology. Come on board, learn these things, and begin to build the Onpassive business. The future of education is on platforms like Onpassive and YouTube. I repeat, if you know something, Onpassive has what you call O Academy. That is the future of education. People are tired with all the crazy education systems in some parts of the world. I don't want to mention continents and names. Okay, they are tired because this education system don't solve problems. This education system don't build skills. What we are talking about here is skill building. If you understand what I'm teaching you here, you can be able to already start building your video for and preparing for Onpassive O Academy. where all the Onpassive founders will be the first to begin to upload lessons. Okay? Even in these platforms, you might want to teach about food. You might want to teach about agriculture. You go there, you give a prompt, agriculture, and you generate that video, and then you bring that video now into the O Academy. And there, people can be subscribing to learn agriculture in a more systematic, in a more strategic, in a more realistic, in a more understanding and more professional manner. So this is where the world is going, guys. You must understand how the flow goes in order to be part of it. It's very, very important. There's a video coming after this video. That is what I did. I just gave a prompt and it generated that video. And this is to let you know that Onpassive is real. Now you believe that Onpassive can work for us because these platforms are working for us. I just give a prompt and then it generated that video. Okay? And then there's another platform called, I think Pi. I think that's Pi. Yes, that's another good platform, Onpassive. My people from Onpassive and other people who might want it. These are platforms. What you do, you create a system and then it generates. You just create an account and then every day you mine. You just click a button and then it mines for you. And we have local trade fairs that people are using Pi to buy. That is what shocked me. Okay, local trade fairs. I'll also put the link down below if you are interested. Why am I doing this? You must understand it as Onpassivans. You must be able to expand your income. You can get something from Pi that will benefit Onpassive. That is why I spoke about Bitcoin the other time, and some people were attacking me in their groups. They don't understand. Okay, you must know how to leverage other businesses in your business. You must understand this technique. We are an online design business Onpassive, and nobody's our enemy, nobody's our permanent friend, or nobody's our permanent enemy. Okay? I believe that if we all have other platforms that we are leveraging on, this overstress on Onpassive, Ash, etc., will not be too huge. We'll give them time to do their things. Okay? So Pi is also a platform. Click down below, use my link to register. I'll be giving another video to show you how you just click and you mine. You don't need to put any money, just click and you mine and you mine and you mine. You get to a point where you have to do your KYC, get to a point where you have to migrate and transfer those you have mined out to a usable coin, and then you start buying locally. Okay, there are trade fairs in Cameroon now locally. You go there, you use your Pi to buy. There's a way they sell using that coin. So they are trying to globalize that coin. You saw in America, the president came and announced Bitcoin. These are new systems that are developing. That is why Onpassive was able to affiliate with Bitcoin. So at New Semo Tech, we are open. We want to teach you how to start building future online. This is very important. You must start learning the art of protecting your phone, the art of going online necessarily, the art of being able not to attend all meetings with your phone. Know that your phone is your wealth. Your computer is your wealth. You must start understanding this. We are getting to a different level of things. It's very important. Okay? So if you're interested, please go down below, click the link, be part of my group. I'll send another link where you can register, and then we'll teach you how to generate videos privately in a small classroom, okay? Online. So please, just watch the next video. This is how the video will look like.
Ready to revolutionize your business? Onpassive is here to make it happen. Imagine a world where your business runs smoothly, thanks to cutting-edge AI. Onpassive's total internet solution does just that. From automated marketing to seamless customer service, we've got you covered. But here's the game changer, our Go Founders program. It's not just about automation, it's about creating financial freedom. Earn passive income while building a global community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Our AI tools are designed to boost efficiency, enhance decision-making, and elevate customer experiences. And we're not just talking big business here. Onpassive is for everyone. Join the revolution and step into the future of business with Onpassive. Your journey to success starts now. Ready to unlock your potential? Click the link and discover the Onpassive difference today.